I'll turn it off. I'll turn it on now.
Steve, is that dishwasher finished yet?
Just finishing now, mate. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, just
Do you
finishing
reckon
now.
all the stuff's going to be clean or what, man?
I think it's going to be clean, yeah.
Yeah.
Piping. Oh, bloody hell, they look sparkling.
What we got in there then, man?
Well, we've got, in this one at the bottom here, we've got everything you'd want in your study room, we decided. Look, you've got your books here. None of them dirty blue books, though, because these are the clean ones.
Catherine Cooks can go on there.
A bit more of Catherine. Bit more of Catherine, yeah. She quite likes getting clean.
There's a lot of cats in here.
I think if we do this...
Top balls, there's right abundance of stuff.
Good Catherine's and good Catherine. I did drop an apple on the floor, which meant it was dirty, but then I've cleaned it now, so it's alright, yeah.
He smashed it.
Oh, shit.
Smash?
Causing a riot. Not fun. Sorry, you know,